One of the goals of the Omentum Project is informal research. Together, we can learn more about living without an omentum. We're asking participants from the informal online class if they would like to select one or more things to change in their behavior based off of this webinar. Examples are listed, and report back these findings for 3 months through short monthly videos and our weekly emails to the Omentum Project at our Gmail account. If you are interested in participating with this informal research, please complete the online survey on our website. If you're watching this video, then you're probably interested in making a video journal to share your experiences. I would like to provide some home video tips to make your video look the best it can when filming. I am the videographer for the Omentum Project. My name is Katie Amo. I'm originally from Saratoga Springs, New York. I've known Meg since 2011, so it's been a while now. In 2018, I helped Meg film and produce the videos about the symptoms of ovarian cancer that are featured on the Citizen Science for Ovarian Cancer website, as well as more recently the video, What is the Omentum, for the Omentum Project. My mother is also a uterine cancer survivor, and so I'm very passionate about advocacy and research. So some recommended recording methods that I would suggest to anyone creating a video journal. One being Zoom. So you can actually open Zoom and start your own meeting with just you and record your video. And this would be free as long as it's a short meeting. And by short meaning, as long as the video itself is under 40 minutes. You can also use QuickTime Player, which is an application on your computer, which is also free. I've also provided the icon if you've never seen QuickTime Player before. So you would open the application of QuickTime, you would go up to File and click New Movie Recording. And when you're done recording, you would hit Stop and you would save your video to your computer. You can also use your cell phone. Go to your phone's camera and record your video. You can also use a digital camera, so record and upload to your computer to send over to us. Background is very important when considering video. Having a nice clean background helps viewers stay focused on you versus what is going on behind you. You can see in the left picture, the background is noisy, and this takes away from what is being said. The picture on the right, there's much less noise, creating a better video experience. Lighting is also important. You do not want to have the light source right behind you because it will make your face very dark. You also don't want the light directly in front of you because sometimes it can make your face too bright. I find side lighting is usually the best, but you can play around to see what looks best in your environment when you're recording. When considering camera angle, straight on and level is usually best. You don't want to have the camera angled up because people will be looking up your nose. You don't want it angled down because people will be looking down your nose then. Make sure your entire face is in the picture. Try and make sure as well that you record your video in a quiet space to eliminate any background noises. We want to hear just you. Here are some suggested topics about the Omentum in general to perhaps include in your first home video. Had you heard of the Omentum before this online informal class? If you had heard of the Omentum before, did you learn something new from Dr. Stotz's presentation? Did you know if your omentum was removed during your cancer staging surgery? If yes, what did your doctor tell you about the omentum? And here are some suggested topics to include in your first home video based off of the presentations. Of the tips and strategies shared today, do you plan to try one? If yes, please tell us which one, why you picked that one. Eat strategically. Have you noticed an uncomfortable abdominal swelling after eating a salty meal, such as a fast food restaurant meal? Exercise. Have you noticed a difference with your abdominal strength post your cancer surgery? Does it limit your ability to do certain exercises? Energize lymph flow. Have you tried a mini trampoline? If yes, do you think it has helped your digestive symptoms? Finally, I'd like to go over some tips for sending your videos for sharing. First, you're going to want to make sure your saved video is in either MOV or MP4 format so it's easier to send and edit. If you are a participant, then a Google Drive folder will be made and shared from the Omentum Project email account. This folder will make it easy for you to upload your videos for sharing. More instructions will be provided if you're interested in being a participant in our informal research. Thank you so much.